Join me as I dive into the financial planning secret that millionaires swear by and try to uncover how they really invest their money. Financial planning is one of those things that seems like a no-brainer, but somehow many of us still struggle to get it right. We all want to be financially secure, but the path to getting there is often shrouded in mystery. What if I told you that there's a secret that millionaires use to invest their money, and it's not as complicated as you might think? One of the biggest misconceptions about financial planning is that you need to be a finance expert to make smart investments. The truth is, many people have a distorted view of what financial planning really entails. They think it's all about cutting expenses and saving money, but that's only half the story. Another misconception is that investing is only for the wealthy, and that's simply not true. Anyone can start investing, regardless of their income level. The problem is, many people don't know where to start, and they end up making costly mistakes. These mistakes can be devastating, leading to financial stress and anxiety. People often end up feeling overwhelmed and unsure what to do next. They might even avoid thinking about their finances altogether, which only makes things worse. The reality is, financial planning is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires a clear understanding of your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Without this understanding, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose focus. Common advice often suggests investing in a single stock or asset, but this approach can be perilous. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket, and if that basket gets dropped, you're left with nothing. Millionaires, on the other hand, tend to take a more diversified approach. They spread their investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies, which helps to minimize risk. This approach might not be as exciting as betting on a single stock, but it's a proven way to build long-term wealth. Millionaires also tend to think long-term, rather than focusing on short-term gains. They're not trying to get rich quick, they're building wealth over time. This approach allows them to ride out market fluctuations and make more informed investment decisions. Effective risk management is another key aspect of millionaire investing. They're not afraid to take calculated risks, but they're also not reckless. They understand that investing always involves some level of risk, but they know how to mitigate it. The key insight that sets millionaires apart is their ability to focus on the big picture. They're not bogged down by day-to-day market fluctuations. They're focused on long-term growth. They also tend to have a clear investment strategy, which helps them make informed decisions. This strategy is often based on their financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. By having a clear plan, they're able to stay disciplined and avoid costly mistakes. To achieve better financial outcomes, it's essential to adopt a similar approach. This means being intentional about your investments, taking a long-term view, and diversifying your portfolio. It also means being informed but not emotional about your investment decisions. By following these principles, you can empower yourself to take control of your finances and build a more secure future. In conclusion, the financial planning secret that millionaires swear by is not a secret at all. It's about being informed, disciplined, and patient. By adopting these traits, you can improve your financial planning and achieve better outcomes. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts on this topic, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. If you want to learn more about personal finance, be sure to check out my next video.